In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate tabs in Google Chrome. Duplicating a tab is a simple way to keep your place while exploring something new, compare information side by side, or open a second copy of a page without losing where you are. We're going to do this using a quick built-in action in Chrome that takes just a moment once you know where to click. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to any website you want. It could be a search results page, a document viewer, a dashboard, anything you're currently working with. Make sure the page has finished loading so you can see all the usual controls around the address bar. Now look for the refresh button. In Chrome, this is the circular arrow icon located in the toolbar next to the address bar. Typically to the left of the URL, it sits near the back and forward arrows and is the button you normally click when you want to reload a page. Move your mouse pointer directly over that refresh icon so it's clearly highlighted. Here's the key move. Instead of a regular left click, press the middle mouse button while your pointer is on the refresh icon. On most mice, the middle button is the scroll wheel itself. Gently press straight down on the wheel until you feel a click. You don't need to scroll, just click. When you do this correctly, Chrome will instantly open a new tab with the exact same page, leaving your original tab untouched. You'll see a duplicate tab appear in your tab bar, typically to the right of your current tab, and it will load the same URL you're already viewing. This method is handy because it doesn't interrupt your workflow. Your original tab stays as is, and your new tab is ready for you to continue reading, navigating, or comparing content. Keep in mind that the duplicate loads the same address, so any information that isn't part of the page's URL, like text you've typed into a field that hasn't been submitted, may not carry over to the new tab. If nothing happens when you click, make sure your pointer is directly on the refresh icon and confirm you're pressing the middle button, not the left or right button. Some devices or settings can disable middle click, so if you've customized your mouse controls, check that middle click is enabled. That's all there is to it. Go to any website, hover over the refresh button, and middle click to instantly duplicate the tab. It's quick, clean, and great for multitasking.